Introduction. The skincare industry has seen a plethora of innovations over the years, but few have garnered as much attention as LED light therapy. The Luma LED Skin Therapy Mask is one such device that promises to bring the benefits of professional LED treatments to the comfort of your home. This review delves into the design, functionality, and effectiveness of the Luma LED Skin Therapy Mask to help you determine if it's worth the investment. Design and build quality. Upon unboxing the Luma LED Skin Therapy Mask, the first thing that strikes you is its sleek and futuristic design. The mask is made from high-quality plastic, giving it a sturdy feel while remaining lightweight. The inner padding ensures a comfortable fit, making it easy to wear for extended periods. The mask is equipped with an adjustable strap, allowing it to fit various head sizes comfortably. The control panel is straightforward and user-friendly, with clearly labeled buttons for power, mode selection, and timer settings. The mask comes with a USB charging cable, making it convenient to power up the device. The LED lights are strategically placed to cover the entire face, ensuring even light distribution. Functionality and features. The Luma LED Skin Therapy Mask offers multiple modes, each designed to target specific skin concerns. The primary modes include Red Light Therapy. Known for its anti-aging properties, red light penetrates deep into the skin to stimulate collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and improve overall skin texture. Blue Light Therapy. Ideal for acne-prone skin, blue light targets and kills acne-causing bacteria, reducing inflammation and preventing breakouts. Green Light Therapy. This mode helps to calm the skin, reduce pigmentation, and even out skin tone. Yellow Light Therapy. Used to soothe sensitive skin, reduce redness, and promote a healthy glow. Each mode can be customized in terms of intensity and duration, allowing users to tailor their treatments according to their skin type and concerns. Ease of use. Using the Luma LED Skin Therapy Mask is remarkably simple. After cleansing your face, you select your desired mode and duration, put on the mask, and relax. The mask automatically turns off after the set time, ensuring you don't overdo your treatment. The included instruction manual provides clear guidance on how to use each mode effectively. Effectiveness. The effectiveness of the Luma LED Skin Therapy Mask largely depends on consistent use. Most users report noticeable improvements in their skin after 4 to 6 weeks of regular use. Anti-aging. Users who opted for red light therapy noticed a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, as well as improved skin firmness. The collagen-boosting effects of red light can significantly enhance skin elasticity, giving a youthful appearance. Acne treatment. Those with acne-prone skin saw a decrease in the frequency and severity of breakouts after using blue light therapy. The anti-inflammatory properties of blue light also helped in reducing redness and swelling associated with acne. Pigmentation. Green light therapy users observed a more even skin tone and a reduction in hyperpigmentation spots. Sensitive skin. Yellow light therapy provided relief for users with sensitive skin, reducing redness and irritation.